गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। एम आई ऑडिबल? आवाज आ रही है सबको? कमेंट बॉक्स में प्लीज एक बार कंफर्म कीजिए कि वॉइस इज क्लियर। अजीत, अभिजीत, श्रीनाथ, तौसीफ, विजय, प्रकाश जी, प्लीज कंफर्म कि आपको वॉइस आ रही है। फाइन अजीत, श्योर, थैंक यू। वी विल स्टार्ट एट 11 sharp. And what would be the preference of the language? Hindi or English? Let's confirm it before we begin, because it's a mixed bag of batch. Like there are people who are preferring Hindi, and there'll be people who will be preferring English. I'll cover both English. Yeah, yeah, fine. English is the new language actually of India, right? हमारे इंडियंस की आदत है तोड़ मरोड़ के हम उसको अपने हिसाब से यूज करते हैं. See, today we are going to see the inventory part. Inventory is a big challenge for many of us. So, inventory being a big challenge for us, the majority of the reason is that we are not very familiar with softwares. ऑटोमेशन बहुत दूर की बात है, हम सॉफ्टवेयर से ही डील नहीं कर पा रहे हैं इस वक्त. Guys, you can post your FAQs also. If there is any specific query regarding inventory से specific कुछ अगर query है, you can post in this chat window itself. So welcome to Inventory Automation Mega Class, guys. I hope everybody is in. So let me introduce myself. I am Anubhav Mahule, and I have started my career in sales with Star Network in 2012, and I covered the Hotstar project, the app which was under observation at that time. You are now seeing it live. So they have tied up with Disney, and everything is going awesome right now. So I have served the business and sales automation in ICC Group Mumbai. I was looking after sales strategy and automation for the complete ICCI Group, right? So I was reporting to one of the founders of ICCI Group, and I've headed a Delhi-based ERP and automation firm which is based in Okla, very near to our office. And I have trained many of the guys for selling, for their selling skills. How do you close a sale? How do you pitch for something? How do you place the value addition? How do you highlight your USPs? Even how, when you have to give your brochure, which part of the brochure you need to give in, each and everything. And I'm a principal automation consultant to India's leading motivational speakers. I've already told you, right? So this is the topic for today. So the art of making the most of your stock inventory without using ERP or any costly software, and that should boost your profits by at least 18%, right? You might have seen this image or picture a lot of times. Picture is visible to everyone. It's on purple. Yeah. And you can see a lot of things which are going here right now, right? Okay, fine. So let me just change its, just a second. Let me just change its color. Yeah, now it's visible, I think. Yeah, it's all in white. So let me first mention all the things which we are going to discuss. Let me just, what I have find out till now. So I have listed out the major problems in here, right? So the first one is like how to track your inventory, how to keep information of each product, right? So we don't see, in each and every product we have a profit attached. If a single product is going out of our view, the profit is going out of our view, right? So we need to track each and every product, each and every SKU. MSME doesn't use an SKU concept, but fine, no problem, we can still cover up, right? So second is when, how much, and what to order, right? We are dependent on employees for this. Which product of yours, which of your product has what kind of demand in the market? It's very important, right? Which inventory is dead and how much losses we are incurring, because I would want my most selling product stocks to be replenished mostly, as dead stock would fetch space in my warehouse, right? Then there is how to deal with MOQ issues. Many times suppliers keep some conditions and we are bound to buy it. We have a solution for this today, right? So if you buy of this thing, then only I'll give this thing. They bundle it out, right? If we have ordered stocks exceeding warehouse capacity, what to do, right? Sometimes it happens also. How to manage every SKU inventory status. This is for business who are using SKU encoding in their stocks, right? If which products are in profits and which are in losses. Yes, we need this information. Ninth one is really important. Overstocking due to fear of stocking out. Every business, even 20 years old business, they are doing it through अंदाजा से. इतना हर महीने बनता ही है, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे कर लो, ऐसे ही चलता है मोस्टली, right? And the 10th one, 78% MSME doesn't know their stock reorder point. Many things are related to this only. Stock reorder point. And I'll tell you how ERP companies do this and how we are going to do this. Okay. Then we have, should I overstock if I get 10 to 15% additional MOQ discounts? And will inventory management software or ERP can solve my problem? Tick. So first of all, see, all the problems which I have told you, you'll get the answers in this particular dashboard itself. But right now, I'm just explaining it to you. Fine. Let me explain it to you first. So let me first take this. And all these are interactable. Like if you want to see your high value products, everything will be changed. Isn't it a really good thing? And it works in automation. Have you seen anything of that sort of? And I'll also tell you how this is working. Fine. So how many people are using reorder point, average lead time, and safety stock? Let me know in the comment section. Are you using these concepts? No. Srinath is saying no. 40% of your problems are going to go away in this section itself. Okay. Yeah, of course, Raman, I'll be pointing it out. I'll explain each and everything right now, right? So this is a live dashboard. We have stopped syncing around 6 months back. Yeah. Now it's visible, I guess. See, this is the name. This is the name in here. Srinath, I'll explain each and everything. Let's move forward. This is the name of the each and every product which is there in my stock. I'm highlighting all those things. Yeah. This is the current quantity which are lying. Can you see this? This is the average lead time. Here you only have to provide me lead time. How to calculate it? I'll tell you that thing also, which is nothing but total time that will be required stock materials reaching to us, which includes order time, quotations. If you are keeping quotations wala thing, quotations आप market में डाल रहे हैं अपने suppliers को, that time will be considered. If you are raising RFQs in the market, or transportation to your warehouse, the time taken to transport all the materials to your warehouse, and etc, depending upon the nature of the business. We have also considered delays here. अगर इसमें कुछ delay होगा, that has also been considered. For example, the first product, it has an average lead time of 25 days. It has an average time of 25 days. And then there is a reorder point concept. See, what is reorder point? Let us understand it first. The level at which your stock needs to be replenished so that your sales are not affected. That is called reorder point in very plain language. Reorder point का मतलब कि हमें स्टॉक आउट होने से पहले रिप्लेनिश करना है मार्केट की डिमांड को, अपने प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड को ध्यान में रखते हुए कि मेरा सेल्स अफेक्ट ना करे. एंड इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड. दैट रीऑर्डर पॉइंट इज गेटिंग कैलकुलेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ सेल्स यू आर डूइंग इन द मार्केट. थोड़ा टेक्निकल है, नहीं समझ में आएगा तो मैं और प्लेन लैंग्वेज में समझाता हूं. जैसे जैसे मेरा सेल्स होगा मार्केट में, मैं उसको टैली में एंटर करूंगा या एक्सेल में एंटर करूंगा. कहीं पे तो एंट्री में कर रहा हूं ना, जो सेल्स मेरी हो रही है, कहीं तो नोट डाउन कर रहा हूं. उससे ये रीऑर्डर पॉइंट कनेक्टेड है डायरेक्टली, और उसके बाद ये रीऑर्डर पॉइंट आपको कैलकुलेट करके दिखा रहा है. एंड देन इट इज शोइंग मी स्टॉक स्टेटस, दिस वन. and it will automatically get changed as soon as the stock status is changing. Sorry, your sales is getting affected. Is it clear? Because it's a very important concept. And how ERP companies do it? They do it manually. They will take safety stock, जो आपका average आ रहा है, वो आपका एक साल का average ले लेंगे, and they'll multiply it by 2. बस. Because why they are doing it like this? Because your billing is not going into that inventory वाला software ना. वहाँ billing नहीं हो रही ना. तो billing नहीं हो रही. हमारा जो सबसे पक्का काम होता है ना, वो billing का ही होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि reorder point, Arun, it is pretty much clear. The level at which your stock needs to be replenished so that your sales is not affected. This is reorder point. And as soon as you that I have changed the values. Wallingham, I have changed the values actually. I cannot show you the original dashboard. So I have to change the values. Your current quantity negative, that's why it's showing you current quantity negative. Current quantity cannot be negative. But I have to change it because I cannot show you the real dashboard of one of the client, right? But this is something which is already being implemented and someone is already using it. Then comes the point of safety stock. Safety stock, what is exactly safety stock? It is the additional quantity of an item that is kept in the inventory to reduce the risk that the item will be out of stock. When, for example, you have a sales cycle, okay? So you don't know कि मेरा जो sales है वो कब क्या कहाँ आने वाला है. I have to keep some safety stock. Whether you know it or not, unknowingly or knowingly, you are keeping safety stocks with you. For example, in the coming month, if I'll be selling this much of the quantity, let me take this safety stock. But this is in real terms. You can even see this. If even you can see this, the total number of safety stock units, what I'm keeping with me. What is my reorder point? In totality, you're also getting in real numbers. And this is the stock status, which is out of stock. It's showing you in stock. What is in stock? It's showing you. So everything, your sales will not be affected if you are keeping the concept of reorder point and safety stock. See, safety stock is directly connected to your sales data and the demand of your product. आपके sales data से ही आपका demand evaluate होता है. As soon as you sell products in the market, safety stock and reorder point will automatically calculated and will be shown here. They will be automatically calculated. This is the power of automation. See, as an MSME owner, as a business owner, we lacks such kind of things. अबे हमको अंबानी बनने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता, माल्या बनने से हमको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. But problem कहाँ पे आती है? We don't get the required things जो मेरे हाथ में नहीं आ पाता है. If these kind of panels will be there with me, there is no foundation of growth. I'll have a direct picture of what my company is going, where my company is going, right? I'll show you how the demand is calculated. Can you see all this, this new sheet, weeks demand? You can see a single date is there, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. And individually a product has been mapped just alongside. एक ही डेट पे, ये जो डेट्स आप देख रहे हैं, हर एक डेट पे हमने एक प्रोडक्ट को मैप किया है और उसकी डिमांड देखी है. डिमांड मींस कितना सेल हुआ है. अभी यहाँ पे डिमांड नहीं दिख रही है क्योंकि दिस इज एन ओल्ड डेटा. लाइक सी हियर, पूरे एक वीक में सीजी धुलाई डिटर्जेंट वाज सोल्ड 342 आइटम्स एंड दिस वीक्स डिमांड is being used to calculate the reorder point, the safety stock. For each of the date, each of the day, for all the 365 days, this is being calculated. As soon as if there would have been a billing of 27 July, Abhilasha 2.25 kg into 10 packets, there would be a figure in here. But this is zero because it was stopped long back. Yes, weak demand is weekly consumption of your product in the market. That could be retailers also, that could be super stockist also, that could be distributor also. So is it clear? Shall we move forward? See, my agenda today is to place value addition in front of you. If you want to use it or not, that is something really different. You should know that these things exist in the market. See, you are selling something. For example, if I'm selling a laptop, Lenovo is also selling a laptop, Dell is also selling a laptop. मेरे लैपटॉप से वो वाला लैपटॉप क्यों बेच पा रहा है? That is the question you need to ask ourselves for our product. Why they are selling higher and why I'm not able to sell? During the time of pandemic, many people made money, and there were people for the same product who did not made money. And how is it possible? कि if someone is selling a soap, for example, इन्हीं का ले ले रहे, डिटर्जेंट कोई सेल कर रहा है, डिटर्जेंट एक का सेल हो रहा है, दूसरे का सेल नहीं हो रहा है. ऐसा क्या मिला दिया उसने, ऐसा क्या कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स दे आर यूजिंग दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू सेल देयर डिटर्जेंट? देयर इज समथिंग that is, these are the tools from which your business can be on in your hands in just 5 to 10 minutes, right? Let's go forward. Let's see first the stock status. I can see my stock status. How many SKUs are in stock, how many I have to reorder. This is in negative. The reason being I have made some changes, right? Then there is reorder, stocks SKUs to reorder. I have got how many SKUs? 129 SKUs I have got, and there are 27 which needs a reorder, right? So we'll move on to next thing, which is, yeah, this is very important, and this is something which you might not have seen with many of the, yeah, doing it willingly. Yeah, see this. See what is happening here. See, we do have stocks which are, some stocks are very precious, right? And some stocks are really not very precious, depending upon the nature of your business, right? So now we come to Pareto principle. Pareto principle, which says that 80% of your sale comes from 20% of your customers. Same thing we have applied on products also. They were talking about, see, in this is not the first webinar you might be attending. As a business owner, you have attended many webinars, but the kind of things which I'm showing it to you, they are just mentioning it. Oh, 80% sales idhar se aana chahiye, 20% udhar se aana chahiye. But can you make it possible? The fact is you cannot. हम आइडियाज, शेख चिल्ली के आइडियाज होते बहुत हैं, बट ग्राउंड पे कितने एग्जीक्यूट होते हैं, राइट? See politicians, how many promises they make and how many they actually deliver. So here I have integrated 80% 20% rule, which is also called Pareto principle. Yeah, so high moving products will give you 80% of your sales. This is a global mantra. It will happen, and rest 20% of your products will give you rest of the sales, or they can incur losses also. 20-25% आपके products हमेशा आपको loss देंगे ही देंगे. And here I have classified, for example, I have classified the product as category A, which is a high value product. You see the demand, how uniform the demand is. Not in very much of demand, right? Medium value products, they are not very much of demand. And here the value needs to be mapped to demand. It's very important that you map value with demand. Then only you will be able to see कि मेरा high value product की demand कितनी है, मेरे medium और less value product की demand कितनी है. Here you can see, and if you add on all these things ना, it will be calculated. ये 94 16 plus 1 आप करेंगे तो it will be your total SKUs. So total SKUs का demand according to the value यहाँ पे आपको show हो रहा है in a very plain language. 94 61 631. So this is the demand of this is the current demand according to the value of the product, and this is very important. Is it clear? Let's move on to the next one. Guys, is it clear? Are you understanding all these things, or is it bit a technical thing? Clear. Okay, Lalit. Okay, Arun. I'm going to show you now something which is being used by Hindustan Unilever, Microsoft, and you just say the name. All the big corporates who has an inventory concept or aware of Adani, all these guys are using these thing. I'm just let me, which is called inventory turnover ratio. Just inventory turnover ratio. Can you see this inventory turnover ratio? Is it clear, sir, everyone? Inventory turnover ratio. So let me first define what is inventory turnover ratio. How fast you sell your products and stocks and again replenishes it. Higher the score, better your inventory health is. अगर इसका स्कोर हाई नहीं है तो you'll get to know in seconds कि कहां पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Getting it? And if you want to see कि नहीं मुझे वैल्यू वाइज नहीं देखना है, मुझे प्रोडक्ट वाइज देखना है, डिमांड भी देखना है, और I have to see the kind of product, and then I want to see the demand also. I want to see the inventory turnover ratio also. Then you can see that also. Just a second. Can you see this? Name, stock status, what is the value of this particular product? It is in the lower segment, 20% of the segment. And how the demand is uncertain, and how much quantity we are carrying, 5465. So you can think now whether I should be replenishing this stock or not. See, for the manufacturer it will be important whether I should manufacture this product or not, and for the trader, wholesaler, distributor, they should be concerned whether I should be importing this or not, right? And then the sheet I have shown you, you can see inventory health of all your products bifurcated, and overall you can also see what kind of demand you are already getting, right? And you have to check this monthly. Yeah, and you see, Arun, if you want it to be in units, it can be in units. If you want to be it in bags, like detergent ke bags bante hain, right? So these are in bags. Whatever you want, whatever the kind of billing you are doing in your tally, or whatever the kind of units you are maintaining in your Excel, on your Excel, those units will be considered here. Whatever you are seeing, we are working with a client where we are doing for production also. For example, if you have purchased 1 ton of some material, okay, for manufacturing, now you have a fixed formula. चलिए detergent की बात कर लेते हैं. 1 ton material we have purchased. Now I have to make 100 bags from that 1 ton. Fine. So what we are going to do, what we are already halfway done, what we have done कि purchase आया 1 ton का, मेरा projections है 100 bags बनाने का, but actually I have made 80 bags only. So where are my 20 bags? मतलब material of that 20 bags, whether it got stolen or whether it got into wastage, what about it? That 20 bags. Okay. Next month, I'm again manufacturing 1 ton of material. Again, my projection is 100 bags. Now, this time I have made only 70 bags. So where the 30 bags have gone? Getting it what we are trying to do. And that material wala thing, that production wala thing will be connected to this inventory. Then, for example, इधर आप जो detergent देख रहे हैं, that is just of around 2 kg or 1 kg ना. So I would be able to evaluate in 100 kg bags what products I can manufacture. It will be connected to this. We are going to connect this to that one. So your production is sorted. आपका प्रोडक्शन पूरी तरह से सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगा, कहां से किया और कौन सी चीजें आ रही हैं. Then this inventory is also connected to your sales data. This is the power of automation ki from purchase to manufacturing or trading or importing to maintaining the inventory to sales, and then it goes out to sales team also. I'm coming up with the sales wala part also in the next webinar. The sales part will be covered, how sales is getting how you should grow your sales also using all these analytics. Thing will also give you the demand of your product for the next month. Now, this is a very important thing which I'm going to show you. Yes. See, I have to manipulate the figures. So that's why these are here and there. This is your demand curvature, your demand graph. Every month आपको कितना बनाना है? Can you see this? This is the past from this July 2020 so to July 2021. These are the sales which has happened. So I can gauge in my what is my demand of the overall products, and then I am projecting forward. This is the forecast. मुझे एक हल्का फुल्का आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि मेरा फोरकास्टिंग कैसे होने वाला है. सी यू कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट सेल्स, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. यूजिंग सिस्टम्स यू कैन गॉज इनटू दिस थिंग कि मैं कितना सेल कर पाऊंगा. This is the same method being used in majority of the corporates. Similarly, that was a demand, that is the sales revenue which you can forecast. Fine. See, I'll tell you one fact. When I started business consulting and consulting to MSMEs, because if I have to grow a company, जब तक मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कंपनी के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, मतलब आई वाज इन द सिमिलर सिचुएशन एज यू माइट बी इन एज दैट बिजनेस ओनर वाज. मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा कंपनी के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, भाई अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल कितने हैं, क्यों है, सेल्स का डेटा नीचे क्यों जा रहा है, व्हाई द सेल्स इज नॉट पिकिंग अप, व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच आर इन लॉसेस. मैं तो सिर पकड़ लेता था. हाउ डू आई सॉल्व दीज इश्यूज मैन. These were the big challenges, and then I started ki nahi yaar, I need to search some solution which I can use for myself also and for the business owners also, so that they can grow forward, right? I'm not a technical person. I was completely into sales and consumer psyche, market research, all those things. I was completely into sales, but these were something I had to get in, and I spent around 1.52 years to create all these things. This is the amount. हाई वैल्यू से मेरा यूनिफॉर्म डिमांड में मेरे को कितना अमाउंट आया, मीडियम से कितना आया, लेस वैल्यू से कितना है, और उनकी डिमांड क्या है. सो मेरा रेवेन्यू वाइज भी आई एम सॉर्टेड कि कितना मेरा रेवेन्यू आ रहा है इससे, what kind of revenue I am generating from each of the product. See, I have to now, when these things are in place, I have to look up to ki how to increase that C less value wala demand. I have to push it ना, डिमांड को पुश करना पड़ेगा. So I know my sales team, distributor, super stockist कि मेरा जो बिक नहीं रहा है, I have to push it that, because I have to make my inventory vacant all the time. That is my goal, and that goal can be achieved through these things. 90% of time मैं आपको जो भी बता रहा हूँ ना, ये मेरे हिसाब से 98-99% लोग नहीं करते. MSME business owners 99% इन्वेंटरी को देखते भी नहीं है. सेल्स पे तो मैं अभी आया ही नहीं हूँ कि जब सेल्स ऑटोमेशन में आपको दिखाऊंगा, आप यू विल बी ब्लोन अवे. बट इन्वेंटरी इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी अनहर्ड ऑफ. किसी ने देखा ही नहीं, सुना ही नहीं कि इन्वेंटरी में भी हम ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. सी, आई हैव गॉट दिस क्लाइंट, they purchased inventory software for 80,000. Okay, so now their billing is from Tally, and inventory they are keeping up in their inventory software. 80,000 something they paid, and now the inventory software say that they are downloading all the data and then pushing it into Tally. Even you can bifurcate warehouses. If you have 3 to 4 warehouses, you can bifurcate according to the warehouses also. You can see demand of each and every product. You can see revenue of each and every product. You can see how much value is there in my warehouse. You can see for each and every product, each and every SKU you can see. 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. This is especially for business owners. Like, you have some basic requirement, मतलब 70% requirement आपकी पूरी complete कर देता है. The stock which is lying in the market, the salesperson is going in the market, they'll just tap in कितना stock पड़ा हुआ है, and then that the stock wala thing will also get in this dashboard. So I know ki what is there lying in my warehouse, and I know that what is lying in the market also. Now I have to plan कि production कितना करना है, या मेरे को कितना import करना है material, या कितना purchase मेरा करना है. Many of the clients do it every week. See, it depends on the nature of the business, right? It depends completely there. Getting it? And that app has everything, and it is one of the savior. Like, it can be used in production, it can be used in HR, it can be used in sales. All the We have just mapped in 1 lakh of retailers in that application, and it takes just 2 minutes. Unlimited logins. I'm not selling you app, come on, I'm not selling you that. I'll give it for free to you, don't worry. See, this happens, Lalit. This happens. I'm not, and I was on that line. I'm not selling you that app. That app is that you take that app completely free. I don't have any issues. But you need to learn how to use it properly, right? Whatever you are doing it in your Excel files, just convert it into an app. Just convert it into an app and give it to the employees. ERP में कोई भी चीज की एंट्री करना, या किसी भी चीज की, मतलब जो हम रिपोर्ट्स बनवाते हैं, अगर वो ऐप में आ जाए, it will be it will be damn easy for employees to do all the entries, and you will get each and everything in this dashboard. This is also a product which has come up by consulting business owners itself. 1 लाख 2 लाख 4 लाख 5 लाख तक लोगों ने पे किया है, and that is the problem. मैं आपको ऐप का भी, अभी अगर आप चाहोगे तो ऐप की भी रिपोर्टिंग दिखा सकता हूँ हाउ दैट लुक्स, बट वी डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑफ आई गेस टाइम. So let's move forward. Let's kind of logics we have used. So we have covered all these things: reorder point, just in time inventory, consignment inventory. Let me go through one by one. Reorder point, you have already got the concept that helps you determine whether you need to order your next shipment of stock. Sure. So knowing your reorder point can ensure you never order too much, and you never order very short also. And you eliminate the risk of stocking up. Just in time inventory. This is a Japanese concept. So it's a method for keeping no inventory in your warehouse. Come, आया गया, आया गया, आया गया. Order everything the moment you need it. It's a form of lean manufacturing also. We call it lean manufacturing. That eliminates most of your inventory cost. And the benefits are like, it develops a strong association relationship with your supplier, because you are ordering constantly and properly, because you're selling also in the market constantly and properly, because you're gauging the demand through the market. Okay, so it also shortens your production cycle. आपका production cycle short हो जाएगा. It will improve your quality control program, because you know कि कितना wastage हो रहा है, कितना wastage नहीं हो रहा है. There could be, while manufacturing, there could be specific products, specific ingredients which are costly in nature. Now you can control that thing. ठीक है. Then comes consignment inventory. It allows you to offload a portion of your inventory to the retailers, distributors, super stockist, depending on the nature of your business. The catch here is, retailer, distributor, super stockist doesn't have to pay for the inventory in advance. Instead, they pay you when they make a sale. आप इन्वेंट्री उन्हीं के यहाँ पे रखवा दो. अब आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि इन्वेंट्री वहां पे कितनी होनी चाहिए, या कितनी रखवाना है, या कौन सा रिटेलर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, सुपर स्टॉकिस्ट जो मानेगा ये करने के लिए. द एवरेज रेवेन्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, अ वीडियो आई हैव शेयर्ड इन द ग्रुप. अगर आप एवरेज रेवेन्यू का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ गए, यू हैव द डेटा कि which retailers, distributors have what kind of average revenue they are producing it to me, and that can be converted into the number of the amount of inventory, and then you can offload that inventory to their part. And yes, of course, they will, वो shelf में ही नहीं रखते हैं product, warehouse में कहाँ से रखेंगे, then you have to bind it with an offer. ठीक है. So reduce your lead time. Now you have, पहली बार आप lead time calculate कर रहे हो कि what is the amount that has been invested, what is the time that has been invested in getting the material to my warehouse. Now you can reduce your lead time because it is all calculated now. And after a while, you can reduce from 25 days to 20 days. And then you have to monitor KPIs, all these things: inventory turnover ratio, average warehouse value in warehouse. Then you have seen high demand, low demand, super stock, reorder point. All these are KPIs. and I can give you guarantee. You check with your competitors. If they are using such a system, so amazing system, I'll give you my services for free. I'm so confident about it. You cannot make a business course and just आपने चला दिया 3,000 4,000 रुपए लेके एंड लोगों ने देखा बना लिया, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ठीक है. सो परपेचुअल इन्वेंटरी सिस्टम नेक्स्ट. तो व्हाट इज परपेचुअल इन्वेंटरी सिस्टम? इट अलाउज यू टू ट्रैक योर परचेजेस एंड सेल्स इन रियल टाइम. आपने भी देखा कि जो परचेज हो रहा था, जो इन्वेंट्री मेरे पास आ रही थी एंड उसका जो सेल हो रहा था, यू कैन सी इट लाइव. You can draw a relationship between your purchase, your inventory, and your sales data. So use accurate forecast. I have shown you the forecast that can be forecasted for the entire year also. जब आप मार्च में बैठते हैं ना, अपना पूरा entire year plan करते हैं, those forecasts will come into picture. How many of you are planning the entire year and then dividing it into quarters and then months? जिस दिन हमने बिजनेसमैन बनने की सोची थी, उस दिन हमारे में वो पैशन था. हम वी क्रॉस्ड दैट स्टेप. बट लेटर ऑन होता क्या, 1 करोड़ से 12 करोड़ तक का जो टर्नओवर होता है, दैट इज अचीवेबल. इट इज वेरी इजी टू अचीव फ्रॉम 1 करोड़ टू आई विल टेल यू, नो इश्यूज. इफ पीपल वांट टू स्टे विथ मी, आई विल शो यू दैट app also, no problem, right? So when we started this journey of being a businessman, हम 1 करोड़ से 12 करोड़ का टर्नओवर बहुत इजीली चले जाते हैं. 12 करोड़ के टर्नओवर के बाद वी come into a real market where the competition is huge, fierce, we don't have talent, we cannot do each and everything by ourselves. और 12 करोड़ से 15 से 16 करोड़ का जो रहता है, बिकॉज सी योर एक्सपेंसेस आर ग्रोइंग. 1 से 12 करोड़ के बाद अपने आप एक्सपेंसेस बहुत बढ़ा लेते हो. आई हैव दिस क्लाइंट व्हिच इज इनटू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ पैनल्स, राइट? He had a turnover of 3 crores. He was damn happy, very happy, very jolly. मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. लोन ले लिया, नया फैसिलिटी ले लिया, सेल्स उतना ही रहा. अभी टर्नओवर 12 करोड़ का है, बट ही इज वेरी सैड. ही इज पूरा एकदम रो रहा है. Why? Because see, 1 से 12 करोड़ के बाद ही तो प्रॉब्लम्स आना चालू होती हैं. बिकॉज वो जो नीश मार्केट आपने पकड़ा है, वो बहुत वो उतना ना मैच्योर नहीं होता है. There is one client who is into industrial sales. ये ARB के bearings आते हैं, then उसके कुछ lubricants आते हैं. He grew from 16 crore to 22 crore in 4 years. But he grew from 3 crore to 12 crore, 15 crore in just 2 years. And now, when I came into picture around 1.5 years back, we grew from 16 to 19 crore only. And then from 19 to 20 crore. This time he is achieving 22 CR, and now he is not able to achieve 24 CR. The reason is this only, कि after a certain level, it is very difficult to achieve huge turnover. वो करना possible नहीं हो पाता है. And then you need some good ideas. Then you need all these kind of systems. And people who are starting new or have a startup, अगर वो पहले दिन से करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, तो उनका माइंड उस तरह से ट्रेन हो जाएगा. सी, इफ आई वांट टू लर्न अ न्यू थिंग, दिस इज अ न्यू थिंग. सो इफ ये आपकी आदत में 2 महीने 3 महीने बाद लगेगा, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि इसका बेनिफिट तो बहुत जबरदस्त है. और मेरा दिमाग उतना नहीं चलेगा, बिकॉज एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट आफ्टर 35, 38, 40 years, our mind starts to deplete. We don't want to grab new things. Now we are dependent on whom? Employees. अब वो तो हमें अच्छे मिल नहीं रहे. यही दिक्कत है. आप किसी से एक्सेल रिपोर्ट बनाने को बोलो, वो एक्सेल रिपोर्ट ही नहीं बना पाएगा. ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिनकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत सफर करने लग जाते हैं. सर, आर यू ऑन द सेम पेज एज ऑफ मी? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम माय क्लाइंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव. जो वो बोलते हैं, जो उनका एक्सपीरियंस है, वही सब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. इसमें मैंने एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कवर नहीं की है, बिकॉज हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. कैश कन्वर्जन साइकिल. द मोमेंट यू सेल समथिंग, मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भी दिया था. द मोमेंट यू सेल समथिंग, then it goes to either manufacturing, the moment you purchase anything, the material, either it goes to manufacturing, or maybe you are being a trader, you are importing something. So and then it goes to sales, and then it goes to accounts receivable, and then the money is getting into your account. This cycle is called cash conversion cycle, which can also be implemented here. For example, कि मुझे next slot of inventory order करना है, right? 1 करोड़ की inventory order करता हूं मैं. I have to order next lot of inventory. So what will happen? I have to borrow that money from the market, or maybe from the savings. I have to borrow from somewhere. But if I know कि after 45 days I'm going to get my money back, तो मेरी planning वैसी होगी फिर. I'll borrow less. Are you on the same page, guys? Am I able to make you understand this thing? These are all concrete logics. These things are most suitable for manufacturers, traders, distributors, and B2B sales, right? And where we can use these automations, we can use these automations in all these segments: distribution, B2B, trading, manufacturing, production, sales, customer service, everything. And we can create all these things by using only these 4 things: Tally, Mark, Excel, Google Sheet. That's all. You don't need anything else. आपको किसी ERP की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. If you think this is something very special, and yes, if you have an ERP, ERP में भी बन सकता है, no problem at all. So what are the benefits of such kind of system? You have already understood the benefits. So no costly ERP to be purchased, because ERP एक evolution है, इसको समझेगा. The moment you purchase an ERP, it gets obsolete, and whenever you want to add new features to it, you have to pay. As soon as you purchase a car, a mobile, it gets obsolete. 20-30% उसका जो value होती है, it's written off. Same goes with softwares and ERP also. You need to come out of that closet. You don't need any foundation, whether it's Zoho, whether it's any ERP. देखिए, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, आप जब SaaS बेस्ड ERPs लेते हैं ना, लॉगिन्स वाले, जैसे Zoho हो गया, you are sharing your data online. That is the worst kind of thing anyone could do. Tally Prime is something, yes. Tally Prime में क्या हो रहा है ना, आप सिर्फ रिपोर्ट्स देख सकते हो. And Tally has made it sure that you do not, that Tally Prime का डेटा ना यूज नहीं हो रहा है. That is just reflecting in the browser. पुखराज, that is just reflecting in the browser. वो डेटा कहीं सेव नहीं हो रहा है. That is into the buffer, JSON फॉर्मेट में जा रहा है वहां पे. मैं आपको टेक्निकल में नहीं जाऊंगा, बेनिफिट्स पे बात करेंगे. टेली प्राइम वैसा नहीं कर रहा है, बट जोहो वैसा करता है. वो वहां पे आपका क्लाउड में सेव हो रहा है ना. एंड देन देयर इज लॉगिन वाला इशू. अनलिमिटेड लॉगिन उसमें नहीं होते हैं. लॉगिन का 100, 300, 400, 500, 800, अभी तो 900 पर एम्प्लॉय पर यूजर की तरह चालू हुआ है. सो नो ट्रेनिंग रिक्वायर्ड for your employee, because यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ automation में ही चला गया. Whatever you want to see, they are just typing into the Excel, or they are just typing into the Google Sheet, and you are seeing all the dashboards, है ना? And no outside data sharing. कोई data भी share नहीं हो रहा. You can use the complete software in offline mode also. ये platform आप पूरा offline mode में use कर सकते हो. There is no harm at all. So let me come to this point कि if you are really enthusiastic about this thing, if you want to implement this thing in your organization, I'll share all the links. If you can do it by yourself, no problem. But if you want me to get involved, and if you want me to do this, I can help you out. Let me tell you, this is कोई business course नहीं है ये. This is, आप ये समझ के चलो कि आपको आपकी क्या responsibility, आपकी सिर्फ यही responsibility है. I'll do the entire work. See, let me tell you, there are around 15 lakhs engineers who passes out every year in India. And nobody of them knows anything about their engineering, their subject. So courses cannot make justice to your business. If you have to create a website, you don't start learning, right? You will hire an agency and will get it done. Your job is to focus on sales and nothing else. You are like an investor. Free forever mobile app with unlimited logins and a platform for your employees over browser and application. And what you can do with that, you can do, say, you can note, you can jot down sales calls, जितना sales calls sales वाले कर रहे हैं, with GPS tracking, customer mapping, new and existing की उसके ऊपर हो पाएगी. Even if you want to do a pricing research, that can be done. Operations, productions, everything can be integrated. And see, this is something which is not very, मतलब आपका 80% requirement पूरा कर देगा वो. Because what you are doing it in Excel only. So Excel की जगह पे हम ये ऐप यूज करेंगे. But yes, जहां पे Excel की जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां पे Excel यूज करेंगे. But जहां पे इस चीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी हम वहां पे, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अटेंडेंस है, right? So attendance, we can do it from here. Free tally connector, there would be a connector which will be installed, and then it will fetch all the data and will connect it to that platform, right? There'll be a 2 hours Zoom call with me. I'm specializing in, I'll just share this with you. See, I have named this Reform, Perform, Transform program, where the duration is of 5 months. There are 91 frameworks. Take the frameworks. Sales forecasting, not the forecasting which has been done on the platform. This is the sales forecasting which will use your entire sales data. Me and you getting onto a Zoom call, and we are doing it live. The second step, sales targets mapping to sales executive. That is very important. कौन कितना क्या achieve करेगा. Distribution channel finalization. कैसे distribution channel? We cannot have more than 3 distribution channels. So what would be those 3? Either you already have a distribution channel, let me analyze, let us do an audit कि उन distribution channel में से कितने profitable हैं कितने नहीं हैं. Then identifying repeat business opportunities. Last 5 years का sales analysis. Incentive setup. आप believe नहीं करोगे, एक pharma client है, उनका हमने target set किया around 140% from last year. We dropped incentive by 80%, sorry 20%, but we lowered down. उसमें क्या किया कि पहले if you are achieving 1 lakh तो you have this incentive, right? We told them कि no, you achieve 80%, I'll give you incentive. Discounts and allowance strategy, business deal pipelines, conversion ratio of sales calls, CRM with analytics, the app I talked about. Daily sales report structure. What kind of report structure you are following in for your sales team, and of course for all the employees it's also. The report, say for example ki, if they are going on a sales call, so where are they going, why they are going, what is the structure. For example, if they are going to meet 3 existing distributors clients, 2 new distributors clients, what is the base? So that base will be coming up from the analysis. Sales reviews dashboard. 90% लोग sales का review ही नहीं करते हैं because they cannot make such good dashboards jahan pe you will be able to identify the problems. People don't have these sales reviews dashboards, right? Addressing staff over structural changes, that will be done by us. Loyalty program for customers, for distributors. हम कभी loyalty program पे काम नहीं करते. See, these are all long term gains. Loyalty program, these are something ना distributor को customer को they need to feel an association with your company directly, not through the sales team. बहुत से लोग ये गलती करते हैं कि we are going to hire one super salesman and then things are out of the control. So these are around 90 things which we are going to cover. I'll share this PDF in the group itself, right? Sales का पूरा आप देख रहे हैं, 10 performing, rolling, last week, each and everything. You can have this sheet, you can go through it, lead status, lead funnel, everything. Expenses, what are the expenses? I can suggest you on social media lead generation, client acquisition online, how to do it. I can suggest you कि distributor कैसे बना सकते हैं हम social media से, right? And what is the value delivery? One-on-one business coaching and guidance. My direct number will be with you. Any problem arrives, you can call me directly. Every week, 2-hour strategic meeting with me on Zoom. Or if you're comfortable in phone, no problem. Employee portal and Android app free है, जो कि आपका जितना पेपर वर्क रहेगा वो सब यहाँ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएगा. All the Excel work will be transformed as much as possible, and that is free. Google Sheet, Excel, Tally connector, that is also comes. Protocol, process, policy, system, SOPs will be created by me. You just have to see, okay, this is okay, let's finalize this. आपने finalize किया, we'll address it to all the employees. Or if you want कि आपके company से कोई address करे, no problem. I can be in your WhatsApp groups also, if you permit. अभी तक जितने हैं मैंने सबके WhatsApp ग्रुप में मैं रहा हूँ. I see कि what kind of messages they are sending, उनका रिपोर्ट करने का तरीका क्या है. Either it's from production, either it's from sales, either it's from operations. होता क्या है, इनमें आपस में कोई कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होता है. सबसे बड़ा इशू यहाँ पे ये आता है. ठीक है. So automation, इन सब चीजों में आपको ऑटोमेशन मिलेगा. And there will be a dedicated POC, point of contact from my side. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है एम्प्लॉइज को, they can call them. just 2,000 rupees. And first month के बाद you have the option whether to go forward or not.